Welcome to the speaking section tutorials.
This section can be enjoyable if you approach it in the right way.
It can be challenging as many students struggle with meeting time limits for answers and providing only the necessary information.
We are here to teach you how to avoid all those challenging parts and to enjoy the process of mastering TOEFL speaking section.
The speaking section on the TOEFL IBT consists of 6 questions. The first 2 questions are about familiar topic. These are the tasks that ask you to state your personal preference and to choose between 2 options. After you hear the question, you will have 15 seconds to prepare and 45 seconds to speak. The next 2 questions require you to read a short text. You'll have 45 seconds to read it, then the text disappears. Next, you listen to a talk on the same topic. Your response has to combine information from the task and the reading. You'll have 30 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. The final 2 questions ask you to listen to a conversation or a short lecture and retell it. You may take notes during all readings, conversations, and lectures. However, the directions for each question will not appear on the screen. You'll only be able to listen to them once. You'll have 20 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. Each of your spoken responses will be graded on a scale of 0 to 4. The graders consider 3 major areas when judging the quality of your response. Let's look at each in detail. We start with delivery. On the TOEFL, delivery refers to both the flow and the clarity of your speech. A higher scoring response will be well-paced and free of long pauses and unnecessary interjections. Although the speech may contain minor pronunciation errors or problems with intonations, these errors do not detract from understanding the speech. You should articulate well, however, your accent doesn't matter that much as long as it does not interfere with the meaning. And do not speak with flat intonation. Emphasize the linking words. Correct intonation and flow is very important. You shouldn't sound robotic. Next, we have language use. The scorers are looking for effective use of grammar and vocabulary. Complexity of sentence structure will also be considered. A higher scoring response generally contains a variety of sentence structures, a range of vocabulary, and few grammatical errors. Once again, a top response does not have to be perfect, but the errors shouldn't affect the listener's ability to understand the speech. You also shouldn't use overcomplicated vocabulary. The more you sound like a native speaker, the better. And also opt for phrasal verbs and natural-sounding linkers. Now we have topic development. Topic development includes how your response addresses the task, as well as the development or your ideas. Thus, the graders are judging you not only on how you speak, but also on what you say. This is an important point because test takers who are comfortable speaking English may not achieve a top score if they do not structure their responses appropriately. You should only answer the question and do not change the topic. Try using personal examples if the question is personal.